Let's do a quick review on Google BigQuery Studio. Right now, we are there, and you can see it's divided in 3 panels. If you want to hide the left panel, you just need to click this button. Now you will have a wider view. At the top of the page, you will always see the project you are working on, a search bar, the button to access Gemini, a notification button, and a help button. Under the top of the page, now we have 2 panels. In the left panel, I always recommend you to click on the compass button, that is the Explorer. There you will find the home. By clicking on it, you will be redirected to this page. The start page, there you will find any table, dataset, or query that you have marked as favorite. The share with me, by clicking on it, you will find any project that has been shared with you and the job history. After job history, you will find a drop down. In my case, it's called Arcane Stack 486, whatever. This drop down is the ID of the project you're working on. In this case, Marketing Data Test Project. Let's take a look at that. If I click on Marketing Data Test Project, then I will see all my projects. And if you look at the Marketing Data Test Project row, under ID, it says Arcane Stack. So this dropdown is always your project ID. And remember, projects are made of datasets and tables. So if you click on datasets, then you will be redirected to a place where you can see all the datasets you have under the Marketing Data Test project or the project you are working on. If you click on a specific dataset, then you will see all the tables that are under that dataset. If I click on my table, then I will get to a place where I can see my table schema, the details of my table, and by clicking on preview, I can see a quick preview of the table I'm accessing. If I click on query, I can do a query over the table that I just have access. In this case, you can see that the query that I'm running is select asterisk. Asterisk means all from the table that I just accessed, ads underscore GA4. And if I run it, then I will see a preview of my table. Depending on the query that you write, the results will change. Now let's back up a little. The first time you enter Google BigQuery at any time, you will get to this place, and in the right panel, you will see 2 tabs, one that has a house icon and another one that says Untitled Query. The tab that has the house icon, if you click on it, you will be redirected to the same page. And if you click on Untitled Query, then you will get to a place where you can do SQL queries. Let's run one for fun. I'm writing select asterisk. Asterisk means all from, and I'm gonna access one of my tables. If I click on run, then I'm gonna see the results of that query. That is the table you are seeing at the bottom. Now I'm gonna click again on my house. And that's a quick overview on what you need to know about Google BigQuery Studio.